color check, Xbox controller cleaning servicing. Hello everyone, I'm back with another video, and in today's video I'm gonna go over how you can open up your Xbox controller, Xbox One controller, and how you can clean it up and service it if you want to. Some people are like, you know what, I just want to clean it up and service it. You can do this at home. It's really easy to do. I'm gonna cover this on this video. Also, and we are gonna be replacing the plastic handles, the caps on this one with a new caps. So if you want to just clean it out or just want to replace the caps, this video is for you. I'm gonna go over the tools that I'll be using. Tool number one is a screwdriver set. UFIXTEK screwdriver sets are one of the best to have around. Here we're gonna be using bit number 9, torque number 9 from this tool set, and we are gonna use fingernails. Alright, first thing first, remove the battery, rechargeable, whatever battery you have from here, remove it. Next, what you want to do, you want to grab it like this, the side of this controller right in here. You just pretty much, you want to open a can of the Coke, just put it there and just pull this side, both of them towards yourself, like this. And this side cover will come out, and you see all this gunk from the dead skin and everything else is in here. Same thing in here. Put your fingers and pull it back, just rotate back. And there we have it. Next, what you want to do, you want to poke through the center of in the label right in here. You want to poke through here and just make a tiny circle right there. There's a hidden screw. So we have 5 screws. 1 screw, 2, 3, 4, and the last one is right on the sticker. These screws are the same size and height. Go ahead and remove them. Torque number 9. So once you see, I already see dead skin and everything else on my table. Make sure you wash your hands after. I don't like using gloves doing this thing because I can't feel the component, the cable. So it's like a mechanic. All right. Also, if you guys like my videos, if you find my videos helpful and helping you guys out, you can support the channel by clicking the like and subscribe. I'll greatly appreciate it. All right. So now that we removed all the screws, what you want to do, you just want to lift up the faceplate. You can take this faceplate outside and clean it, wash it with a toothbrush. Use a toothbrush, soap, and dishwash, whatever you want. Wash up everything. Next, what you want to do, you want to put everything on your palm and lift up this back cover. This fan motor might fall off. Don't worry about it. You just want to lift it up, bring it up. They should come out pretty easy. Sometimes they don't. If they don't come out pretty easy because of the audio jack is not letting you, so what you want to do, you want to put some sort of opening tool right in here, and you want to lift it up like that so it releases this tiny jack that goes in here. Again, this part you can take it outside and clean it too still. I don't know why there's a gaffer's tape here. This gaffer's tape is not supposed to be here because it's not touching anything, but yeah. Kapton tape, I mean. Alright, now that we got these ones, the plastic outside, you can clean those. Now we are down in here. For the caps, just pull them up. Pull the caps out. And you can clean that. You want to clean up this button thingy. It's easy, just use a thing, just lift it up for me. It has a tiny hooks. Once you bring it up, wiggle around, it will release. And you can remove this one. Again, wash it up, clean it up. Yours, you might find lots of hair around here. If you have a cat or stuff at dog at home, you want to find lots of hair around in here. So you want to clean up these ones and blow some dry air through here, compressed air. I'll leave the link for a good compressor. Don't use those can air. Those are really not good for cleaning electronics. They throw humidity, and these are sensitive for the humidity. Use a dry compressor air. Do not use a canned air on the potentiometers. These are really, really delicate. Otherwise, you're going to have a drifting issues. I made a video how to fix your drifting issue if you need to. All right. So we're gonna take it outside. We're gonna use a toothbrush, just clean and remove all the hair, everything, and then we're gonna put the caps and everything else. I'll be back right after this. All right, now that I clean up everything is washed up and nice and clean. We're gonna first put up this cross right on top. It only goes in one way, so find the right angle. So it goes up, down like this. Nope, it goes like this. So you can see this 3 cross and there's no cross on the bottom, so that goes right on the bottom. Put it right there. Grab this hook the top portion and push down this bottom portion and keeps it in place. Put the new joystick caps on, push them down. There we go. You want to grab the top part, you want to put it right on top, flip it over, grab the bottom part. Now this bottom part, you want to push these joysticks down inward. You want to make sure these battery contacts are scooped, not like this. You want them to be inside, like that. And then you want to bring them over and you squeeze them down nicely. And then let go of the triggers. Now all you need to do is to put the triggers back in place. All the screws back in place. Put the metal screw first. Tighten it up. And put the rest of the 4 screws, 2 on each side, and I'm going to show you guys how to put the side covers. Now, nicely new joystick caps on. Everything is working. Grab the side covers. Make sure this one goes right on top. First, put it on top like this, and once you see it's nicely placed almost, you want to press down in 45-degree angle, and it's going to click in. Same thing in here, put it on top, push it down, 45-degree angle. And then put your battery right on over. And this is how you service and clean your controller for your Xbox One console. I hope you guys like this video and helped you guys out. If you have any question or request, feel free to leave them in a video comment. I'll try to answer them as soon as I can. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.